Hello, I'm Imran Khan from Pakistan.
Hello, I'm Richard Headley from Christchurch, New Zealand. I'm Graham Gooch from England.
I'm Clive Rice from South Africa.
I am Madanlal from India.
खेल की दुनिया में मुकाबले हर सतह पर मुनक्किद होते रहते हैं। उनके नताइज से खिलाड़ी न सिर्फ सीखता है बल्कि उसमें आगे बढ़ने की जुस्तजू भी पैदा होती है।
So now it's Richard Hadley to Imran. Fabulous shot. And you're going to see plenty of that in the next 7 overs, because it's do or die now for Imran. And look at that. Immense strength, perfect timing. But the winner is this man, Imran Khan of Pakistan, one of the great players in Test cricket in the 1970s and 80s, and thoroughly deserved as the champion. He finishes on 114, Clive Rice on 92, and Richard Hadley 83.